Hi, welcome to Onboard. I guess most of us are not very keen on salads, but sometimes they can be very enjoyable, like this pesto chicken salad. This is such a perfect salad. It's very high in nutrients and it's very delicious too. This can be enjoyed as an appetizer, a side dish, or even as the main course. Let's see how to make the salad. First, we would need around 150 grams of baby spinach leaves. We would need around half cup red cabbage, very thinly sliced. Next, what we need is around 350 grams of chicken breast and a medium-sized potato. We're going to cut them into cubes and place them on the tray and bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Here we go. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. This is around half teaspoon of salt, pepper, and then give it a good mix. Spread it. Let's bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Our chicken and potato is ready. So if you look here, it's cooked. They are very juicy inside. We can transfer them to a bowl and leave it for a few minutes to cool down. Our chicken and potatoes have cooled down. We're going to add the key ingredient, and that is the pesto sauce. I usually buy mine from the supermarket. So if you want to buy, you could look for a fresh tag. That is to say that it doesn't have much preservative. And that way, you can enjoy the authentic pesto taste. 2 tablespoons of basil pesto sauce. Mix it. And add it to the salad. Next is the nuts. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pine nuts. Pine nuts are very good for eyes, and it also has some anti-aging properties. We're going to add salt and pepper for seasoning. If you like spicy, add a little bit more pepper. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Thank you for watching and see you.